the Eclipse. We got an Eclipse popping off right now, guys. I'm in here cutting the fuck out of this and it turned to night almost. Let's watch this shit. Watch through the branches. Sun's directly in the middle there. That did it ever get dark, man? That was crazy. See the sunrise? It's cool, man. Yeah, she's coming back. Watch this. Watch this place light up. See how dark it is right now? Watch. This is where it was. That was neat. See the light coming back? How cool is that shit? Fuck yeah, man. Yeah, I'm in here in a fuckery of sticks and logs, blowovers, and holy shit! Look, climbing up on overturned roots, big old pines, right in the thick of her. See that? Knocking her down. Yeah, I was standing there bucking with the 440, and she got dark. I was like, "What in the fuck is going on here?" That was cool. Anyway, you just want to watch me buck some shit up? Here you go. He's getting an Eclipse and a rip. You're trying to figure out which direction I'm going next, man. Yeah, that was cool. Goddamn Eclipse popping on. Watch the lights. I don't even know if it's over. But regardless, I ain't out in fucking space, so I don't give a fuck. Oh, where are we gonna send this shit here? So dark, man. Sun's shining, beautiful day. Goddamn Eclipse has to fuck it up. What? Here's what it is. Took him back. Watch the baby hear me out. Fuck, it's coming back now. Yeah, sun's coming back now. I love it. Some more of it.